Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. While launching the game, you get a black screen and you are not able to launch the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, you need to open a directory of the Valorant. Example, in my system, the game is installed in F drive, Toet Games, Valorant. Open live folder and you will find Valorant exe file. Right click and go to its properties, click on compatibility tab and checkmark the option disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Then open shooter game, binaries, Win64 and you will find Valorant Win64 shipping file. Do the same by going to the properties, compatibility, checkmark these two options, hit apply and OK button. After doing so, you need to open up settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option system and then choose the option display. Scroll to the bottom to select the option graphics over here. Click on the option change graphics settings and right over here you will find an option of hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If this option is available, make sure you disable it. After doing these two steps, relaunch your Valorant and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Although if this failed to work out, in next step simply you need to hit the play option to launch the Valorant into your system. Now once the Valorant is launched, you need to press Alt and Enter key to launch the game into the Windows mode like you can see right over here. After launching into the Windows mode, click on this gear icon, go to the settings and you will find the option of video over here. Click on it and then under the resolution, you need to switch the resolution to 1920 into 1080. After choosing the resolution, you can again switch back the display mode to full screen and this will instantly launch the Valorant and in turns completely fix out the issue of black screen while launching the game. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.